welcome back to the channel. So this week, me and Sienna are heading into the Coffs Harbour 4-wheel drive camping and caravan show. And it's a wet weekend. The Coffs Harbour Trips notice board page has put up that they want some 4Bs to come in. We couldn't make Saturday, but we got the 35s on, ready for Sunday. So that's what we got up to on Sunday. But when it come down to Thursday night, we also got an invite to the King's 4-wheel drive Super Centre in Coffs Harbour, and they put on a sausage sandwich and free drinks, and they had the Spud guy there, and we took in Scrub Turkey's flex ramp. So I got some pictures of everyone having a bit of a play on the flex ramp that we'll share with you guys. Also got on the new shirt from Trippin' and a Trippin' cap. These are great caps. Get them dirty, just hose them off, let them dry out, and they're ready to go again. And I got on the Nissan Patrol shirt because I got myself a Patrol. But Trippin' also has the Toyota shirt as well. So go and check out their website and get yourself some nice merchandise. Anyway, here's a bit of that footage. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Sienna.
Depends on how much you want to spend. There he is. You go, go.
So you get another job, bro.
Nearly got there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Chris, you're up. Stop feeding it. You found the hole.
I'm moving down to the mud spray. Moving over already. Let's all go. Let's all go.
It's too clean, you gotta change that.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. But I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. yeah. All I need are some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.